Okay, today is Wednesday, July 28th, 2021. We're at 19262 Fairlane Court here in Livonia. As you can see, we have a sump discharge line here. It's on the front corner of the house by the gas meter and by the irrigation system. We're going to kind of show you the backyard here. As you can see, going back towards the trees and the power box, it's hard to see. The grass is extremely wet. And it's been that way for quite some time. There's a manhole in the neighbor's yard for the storm, so we're going to do a diagnostic televise. As you can see here, we're holding about half a pipe of water. And you can see we've taken a few different turns, but as you can see, the drain appears to be open. You can see we do have a small amount of scale buildup. You can see we have a couple more. Okay, here you can see we're holding more water. So you can see this is as far as we could push. At this point we're going to pause and attempt to locate. Okay, this is as far as we could push. We're going to pull up slightly. You can see we're at going down what appears to be 290s. The thing with this is we've located this out in the front yard. We attempted to locate in the backyard and we were unsuccessful. We are going to pull back real slow here, and we are going to trace back to the original 90 and see if we can see the way it turns. But according to our camera locator, both areas we located were out in the front yard. We did look down the street. There is a line that comes into a storm basin that ties into the road. There's also a line in the back. We would actually have to try and verify with the city which area this line ties into. But as it appears right now, this line is not holding water. As you can see, it does have some calcite buildup, but it appears this line runs actually out to the front. We're going to try and see if we can pull back to the 90 at the bottom of the Y here and see if, as we're hanging down, we can see where it turns. Okay, as you can see, the camera here does actually go to the right, which, as we're looking at it, the right is actually going to the front of the house. So the sump discharge line does go out to the front, appears to be open and flowing. We have no backup at this time. We can try and see if we can get to city engineers to actually verify this, but it does not appear that the sump drain goes to the back of the house. This will end our recording.